10 healthy grab-and-go meals prepared in only 1 hour. This video will show you how. Make sure to stay with me until the end, because I'll also be sharing a time-saving hack that will make assembling your meals twice as fast. Let's get started. Essential ingredients for meal prepping. Vegetables. Bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, and spinach. Not just for color but for maximum nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants. Grains. Brown rice and quinoa serving as hearty and satisfying bases for our meals. Proteins. Chickpeas, lentils, and tofu. These plant-based proteins pack a punch and keep you feeling full longer. Pantry staples. Soy sauce, vinegar, olive oil, and hummus. The key to making healthy food taste amazing is in these simple ingredients. Now that we have everything we need, it's time to prep in the fastest, most efficient way possible. Efficiency is key, maximize your time. The secret is in the strategy. Here's how we'll cut cooking time in half. Multitask smartly. While one dish is simmering, you'll chop veggies or prep another component. This overlapping of tasks saves minutes that add up fast. Keep your workspace clean. Have a scrap bowl nearby for peels and unwanted bits. This keeps things organized and stress-free. Pre-boil water for grains and pasta. This step speeds up the cooking process significantly, so you're never waiting around. Now that we're all set up for success, let's move on to our first meal. A hearty, protein-packed lentil stew. The easiest high-protein lentil stew. Want a meal that's hearty, healthy, and practically cooks itself? This lentil stew is your answer. Step 1. Heat a little oil in a large pot. Add finely chopped onions and sauté until golden and fragrant. This is where the magic starts. Step 2. Add diced tomatoes. As they cook down, they release their juices, creating a rich, flavorful base. Step 3. Stir in rinsed lentils, coating them in the onion-tomato mixture. This step is key. It enhances the taste and texture. Step 4. Pour in vegetable broth, bring to a simmer and let it cook for about 30 minutes. That's it. Lentils are not only affordable and easy to cook, but they're also packed with plant protein, fiber, and essential vitamins, making them a top-tier meal prep ingredient. While our stew is simmering, let's move on to another must-have combo: pasta and crispy tofu. How to make pasta and crispy tofu that tastes amazing. Who doesn't love pasta? But let's upgrade it by adding golden, crispy tofu for an irresistible protein boost. Step 1. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil. Cook your pasta until al dente, about 8 to 10 minutes, then drain and rinse under cold water. Step 2. While the pasta cooks, prep the tofu. Press out excess moisture, then cut it into cubes. Step 3. Toss tofu in cornstarch. This creates that crispy golden crust. Step 4. Fry tofu in a hot pan with a little oil, turning occasionally until perfectly crispy. Why tofu? Because it's incredibly versatile, affordable, and soaks up any flavor you give it. Next, let's tackle 2 ultra-quick meal bases: Cuscus and sautéed zucchini. The quickest way to cook couscous and zucchini. Couscous is a time-saving hero. It cooks in just 5 minutes. Step 1. Bring water to a boil, then remove from heat and pour it over couscous. 1.5 cups of water per cup of couscous. Step 2. Cover the pot and let it sit for 5 minutes, then fluff with a fork. Step 3. While the couscous is sitting, slice zucchini into half moons and sauté in a bit of oil for 5 minutes. Bonus: sprinkle with curry powder for warmth and depth of flavor. Now let's make a game-changing dressing that will instantly elevate all our meals. The ultimate roasted bell pepper dressing. Ever had a dressing so good that it makes even plain veggies taste gourmet? This is it. Step 1. Blend together roasted bell peppers, hummus for creaminess, soy sauce for umami, lemon juice for brightness, and garlic powder for extra flavor. Step 2. Adjust thickness by adding water if needed. Taste and tweak. Want more salt? Add soy sauce. Want more zing? Add lemon. Now that everything is prepped, let's get those meals assembled fast. How to store fresh veggies for maximum freshness. Keeping veggies fresh is crucial for meal prep success. Step 1. Store grated carrots in cold water to maintain crispness. Step 2. Wash, dry, and store spinach in an airtight container with a paper towel to absorb excess moisture. Bonus tip: refresh water every couple of days to extend freshness. Now for the best part, assembling our meals. Quick and easy meal assembly. You've done the prep, now let's build meals that are grab-and-go ready. Hummus pasta salad. Toss pasta, carrots, zucchini, and bell pepper dressing for a creamy, flavor-packed dish. Tofu and grain bowls, layer quinoa, crispy tofu, and veggies with a drizzle of dressing. Sandwiches, whole grain bread, protein of choice, fresh veggies, and a spread equals done, and just like that, 10 meals in 1 hour. Look at what you just accomplished. 10 healthy, budget-friendly meals in just 1 hour. You prepped ingredients efficiently, cooked multiple meals at once, stored ingredients to stay fresh all week, and assembled grab-and-go meals effortlessly. If this video helped you, hit subscribe so you never have to stress about last-minute meals again. And for even more related videos, check out the video on your screen now.